Portable coffee makers are more popular than ever for those seeking barista-quality cup without the cafe queue. But which one is the right choice for your needs? We considered features, quality, and value to narrow down our top 7 best portable coffee makers available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Staresso Classic Portable Espresso Maker. There's nothing quite like a good espresso, especially when you're on the go. The Staresso Classic Portable Espresso Maker offers a straightforward manual operation, delivering a rich espresso in just 1 to 2 minutes, making it an ideal travel companion. Whether you're a fan of coffee capsules or love grinding your beans, the Staresso has it covered. We appreciate its 2-in-1 design. It's compatible with both Nespresso original capsules and your favorite coffee powder. The quantities it can handle are decent at up to 10 grams of coffee powder. Its water tank, which holds 80 milliliters, ensures you get a robust 30 to 50 milliliter shot of espresso topped with a lovely crema. Thanks to its original patented segmented pressure-making design, you can get up to 20 bars of pressure out of this machine, so you can get the most out of every extraction. Design-wise, it has 304 stainless steel pump, powder cup, tank liner, and aluminum threads, all while being FDA certified. Maintenance is also straightforward thanks to its removable design and easy-to-clean components. The pros are that it has a durable stainless steel design, it's compatible with capsules, and doesn't need batteries or electricity for operation. The con is that it requires a fair amount of pressure during the pumping process. Number 6. CERA Plus Portable Mini Espresso Machine. The CERA Plus Portable Mini Espresso Machine is a compact electric device that has a built-in heating function, delivering hot espresso coffee at 205 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 to 4 minutes. With 20 bars of pressure, it does a great job with extraction and can easily make a delicious espresso topped with a rich cream and aroma. We like that it can be used with either NS capsules or ground coffee as well. Users have the flexibility of choosing between 3 brewing methods: cold brew with cold water, warm brew with hot water, or warm brew with cold water. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, this machine can produce 4 to 5 cups of espresso from cold water or 3 cups from 80 milliliters of water on a full charge, which takes around 3 to 3.5 hours. It's a reliable and fully featured choice, delivering a very nice coffee each time. The pros are that it's easy to use, compatible with both pods and ground coffee, and consistently brews delicious coffee. The cons are that its electric design requires charging. Number 5. Cafflano Classic All-in-One Portable Pour-Over Coffee Maker. The Cafflano Classic stands out as an award-winning all-in-one portable pour-over coffee maker. It's more than just a self-contained mug, it brings with it a range of features tailored for the coffee enthusiast on the move. This device includes a fully adjustable ceramic burr grinder equipped with a patented fold-away handle. To make measuring easier, there are level markers, eliminating the need for scales. For brewing, its pre-measured drip kettle with a maximum capacity of 270 milliliters comes with a patented spout for precise control over wetting and extraction. Another nice feature is the etched stainless steel filter dripper. This means that you won't need paper filters and there's an easy cleaning process, though it's worth noting that the pour-over basket has a fine mesh, which pairs best with a coarser grind. Additionally, the double-wall insulated tumbler can store up to 450 milliliters and offers the convenience of bean storage within. The pros are that it has a quality construction and design, it's extremely portable, and it makes a fresh and delicious cup of pour-over. One con is that it's not compatible with pods or capsules. Number 4. Stanley, the Camp Pour-Over Set. The Stanley Camp Pour-Over Set brings back the old age art of coffee brewing, letting you craft pour-over coffee effortlessly, be it at home or outdoors. Designed for simplicity, this portable coffee maker not only makes the brewing process straightforward, but also reduces paper waste. Its rugged construction also promises both style and longevity. Another feature we appreciate is the stainless steel filter, which simplifies and improves extraction of your coffee's flavors. Whether you're savoring a morning ritual at home, need that caffeine kick at the office, or are camping outdoors, this pour-over set is a great go-to option. Just pour your desired coffee amount into the filter, set it atop your favorite mug, gently add hot water, and let the magic happen. A pro tip to remember: when using the mesh filter, always opt for a coarser grind to achieve optimal results. The pros are that it's very well built, features stainless steel components, and is great for camping. The con is that we wish the two-piece design interlocked for travel. Number 3. CONQUECO Portable Coffee Machine. This electric portable coffee machine by CONQUECO is an excellent option, catering to both hot and cold brew cravings. With just a single pump shot and one-hand operation, this machine effortlessly shifts between brew types. Crafted with a high-quality all-aluminum alloy body, it's not just about looks but performance as well. It uses advanced ceramic heating technology, churning out espresso coffee at 205 degrees Fahrenheit in about 2.5 minutes. And if you're using cold water, it only takes an extra minute or two. With a steady 15 bars of pressure, it does a very good job making a quality brew every time, capturing the essence of each bean. We also like that it's compatible with capsules from Nespresso, LOR, Starbucks, and even generic options from Kroger. What truly stands out for us, though, is its blend of high-efficiency extraction coupled with portability. It's an excellent gadget for those who refuse to compromise on their coffee even when they're on the move. Outdoor enthusiasts will particularly enjoy the convenience of its electric design. When it comes to battery life, it can make up to 5 cups of piping hot espresso on a charge. The pros are that it's easy to use and clean, compatible with capsules, and offers consistent quality. The cons are that it requires charging, and while there is a ground coffee chamber available, it needs to be purchased separately. Number 2. Aeropress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit. The Aeropress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit is an American-made portable coffee maker built for coffee enthusiasts. Crafted with materials free from BPA, it boasts a thoughtful and efficient design. The attached mug and lid act as a compact traveling case, making this kit an easy fit in backpacks and suitcases alike. Whether you're heading to the office, jetting off on a trip, or setting up camp, this coffee press is an ideal companion. Just add your coffee, pour in the water, give it a stir, and press. In just about a minute, you'll have 8 ounces of regular coffee or up to 3 espresso shots, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. For optimal results, a medium fine grind is suggested, but feel free to experiment. Reliability is key with the Aeropress Go, and as it constantly delivers great coffee. Plus, cleaning up afterwards is straightforward and fuss-free. The pros are that it's easy to use and clean, consistently produces delicious coffee, and is great for travel. One possible con is that it's smaller in size and portions compared to the standard Aeropress. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. WACACO Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker. The WACACO Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker stands out as an excellent blend of convenience and quality distilled into a handheld machine. Despite its small size, this portable coffee maker doesn't compromise on delivering that coveted espresso shot. Its compatibility with Nespresso original capsules and most of their compatibilities gives you flexibility in your coffee choices. Powered by manual operation, it's surprisingly capable of up to 18 bars of pressure that makes for some very robust and flavorful results. Though it might take a brew or two to master, but once you've got the hang of it, the process feels almost second nature. And for travel, the included protective case ensures your Nanopresso stays safe and sound. Cleanup is also quick and easy, making it perfect for both daily use and adventurous travels. The pros are that it has a compact and sleek design, it's easy to use and clean, and it produces excellent quality espresso. The cons are that it only has an 80 milliliter capacity, although it can be expanded to 120 milliliters with the barista kit, which is sold separately. Still need a little more help on deciding on the best portable coffee maker for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.